Please do.
Yeah, absolutely. But what if you want something really extra special, a timeless classic, a gift that any child would love to receive on Christmas morning? Have a look at this. Tucked away in the tiny Yorkshire village of Fangfoss is a hidden world where magical creatures are made. Each handcrafted beauty destined for a place in front of a Christmas tree. To be discovered on Christmas morning by a lucky child, giddy with delight upon first meeting their new best friend. And the man behind the magic, master craftsman Tony Dew. Tony!
Good to meet you.
Wow, my goodness me. This is fabulous.
We've been doing this for a long time, so we'd like to think we're good at it.
I suppose it's fair to say you led the revival in our love affair with these wonderful creatures.
Yeah, well, I like to think so. I made my first rocking horse back in 1976. My wife was crazy about children and also horses, and the idea of making a rocking horse came up, and I made that first one and then just kept on doing it.
But the level of detail from the leatherwork, the saddlery, the bridles, the manes.
Oh yeah, that's real horsehair and real leather. I mean, we do have a vegetarian option as well, so we can satisfy all comers.
Tony also restores old rocking horses, something which has given him a good understanding of traditional construction methods. So this one clearly in for some restoration, Tony. How old would you say that is?
It's probably 1920s. By the time he's finished, he'll start putting together a three-dimensional jigsaw puzzle. But he'll be as good as new and good for another 2 or 3 generations of children before he needs restoring again.
Tony's also made a replica of the first ever rocking horse, reputed to have been made for Charles I.
He was a sick little baby. He had some kind of rickets. And it said that the horse was made for him partly to exercise his weak little legs and partly to teach him to ride. Before this, there was no toy horse that was big enough for a child to actually get on and ride themselves and be in control of, because once a child gets the hang of riding a rocking horse, they don't need anybody else. They're there, their imagination can flow, they can just ride anywhere in the world and, you know, they're away.
It takes around 1 week to handcraft each new rocking horse.
Oh my goodness. Oh, look at those.
But there are always models in the workshop in various stages of manufacture. And as each one is given its final shape and colour, Julie here applies the finishing touches.
Well, Julie, you're doing an amazing job. I mean, this is almost there, isn't it?
It is, yes, and you're going to help me finish it.
No pressure.
Well, obviously, I'm thrilled to have a hand in producing this Christmas wonder.
Right, here we go. Okay. Goodness me, right. Now, get that through there. You must get such a lot of satisfaction, Julie, when you see them finished off, going out to their new owners, knowing that they're going to really appreciate all your hard work.
Yeah. It's like a hobby that you get paid for.
Isn't that the best kind of job, though? A hobby that you get paid for.
Yeah.
And every loyal steed needs a saddle.
One last bit, don't forget the bridle.
Ah, of course. Yeah, not going anywhere without a bridle. There we are.
That's it, about ready to rock.
Absolutely fabulous. Well, dressed ready for Christmas. I think it's wonderful. Absolutely wonderful.